All right, out here on the San Joaquin, March 28th with the rain. Gonna see if we can catch some. Goal today is hopefully a carp or a striper. Let's see what happens. Got corn and anchovies out, and a little night crawler. All right, so I gotta stay away from that tree because there's a lot of snags underneath it. So we'll go over there. Hopefully not as many snags. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, he's on there. He's going upriver. Really? What did he? Oh. Yeah, get me off that snag then, guy. There's apparently a snag right there.
Don't give him too much.
Oh.
Motherfucker.
No. I got a freaking hell of a snag. All right, got him.
There you go. There you go. Got him. Got him.
That was a tough snag, dude.
That's it. Keep him towards the dock. Don't let him go towards my line.
Dude, you think I want to let him go over there?
Come on, keep that big fucker over by you.
There he goes.
There we go. You got him turned. Don't get tired out there. Keep him up. Keep him up.
He's a little guy.
Huh?
He ain't that big. Uh-oh. He ain't that big.
He's good size though, still. Silver carp?
No, common. The common one. Oh, dude, my hook's just right there in his mouth. No, it's just right here. I mean, if he would just stop. I'll tell you, he was hooked good.
Upper lip?
Bottom, but in the middle of the tongue. All right, got one fish.
Yeah, get him.
Got some. Look at that. Big old catfish. Or what is that? It's a catfish. Look at that little feller.
Oh, let's see. Comes barbs out and put a big hook in his ass for a fucking big ass striper.
You were just getting a bite too.
I know.